Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will discuss about iMessage activation error on your iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, how to fix this problem? So I will teach you some solution about this problem. So keep watching this video until then. First of all, open setting application here, guys. So guys, make sure you have stable internet connection. If you don't have stable internet connection, so change that Wi-Fi network. After that, scroll down and simply tap on general. And guys, first check software if update is available. If update is available, so update your software first. After that, if your problem not solved, so keep watching. Next, tap on setting here, guys. Now scroll down and find out general, tap on it, and guys, tap on date and time here. Tap on, make sure you have set automatically date and time here. Now see the next solution. Close this window and again open setting application. Now scroll down and find out iMessage here, guys. Tap on it, iMessage here. Tap on it. So make sure you have turn this on. If turn already on, so turn on and turn off back once time. Now close this window. If all methods not work, so last solution is open setting application. And guys, now scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone about network, so after reset network setting, your problem will be solved. So I hope activation error on your iPhone will be solved after reset network setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.